Welcome everybody, my name is Dennis Anthony, and first off I would like to thank you for coming to my website because obviously you are interested in learning how to set up a home-based business. Obviously you are interested in learning how to make money online, okay? What I'm gonna do is go ahead and click the link, and I'm gonna actually create a personalized video just for you, showing you exactly what you can do and the steps you can take to actually start making money online. I'm gonna be very straightforward with you and very to the point. It's not going to be easy, okay? I'm not gonna give you one piece of information that automatically is gonna bring you overnight success and you're gonna wake up tomorrow and you're gonna be a millionaire. I can't do that. But I can give you the steps, the tools, the systems, the information, the knowledge that I do know. I've been doing this since 2008 and I have had success. I also own another offline business where we do distribution and I do fulfillment and stuff like that, but that's in another industry. So I do have plenty of experience in the field of sales and what it takes to actually make sales. So if you are interested, you're in the right place. But however, I only want people who are interested. If you're looking for an easy route and you're looking to wake up tomorrow and be a millionaire, go ahead and leave now. If you're looking to actually learn how to build a home-based business, how to sell your own products online, how to affiliate market, how to set up an e-com business, if that stuff interests you, then go ahead and click the link and I'm gonna show you how to get started.